So we have here today one R-9912, so it's Dehumidifier and R-Purifier Ionic plus R-Purifier 5 years guarantee, 12 liters per 24 hours, independent air purifier function, air cleaner, ultra silent, and it's from Rohnson. So let's start to unbox together this new dehumidifier, like this. Okay. Now we have here some this. Use again scissors like this. Next sides. Okay. So let's put this. So what we have inside, some wool and this. Okay, how to okay. Quick timer. So I have to put camera for 1 second here. And I'm going to okay, so this is out. So it's look like this. Also, here is some trouble. This look not ideal. Here's something wrong or something, because this look okay, but this no. So we have to check what is with this. And we have here also some pipe for the water and some manual documentation. So next video we will try the function of this dehumidifier. Electricity. Okay, now it's better. So it's ready for testing. Let's test it.